Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you Christmas nail designs which are easy and perfect for Christmas. First of all, I'm going to begin with a base coat to protect my natural nails and help my manicure last longer. Next up, I'm going to use a red nail polish and I'm first going to mark 2 dots on my nail, and these are gonna be the center of 2 starburst shape, and the easiest way to describe this is to make a T over those dots and then curves in between each line and then fill it in, and this is pretty difficult to do with nail polish. I recommend using paint. If you have that, you can totally do with nail polish. This is just a really on trend now design right now, and it's super cute and you can use any color you would like. And then secure your design with the fast drying top coat. For the next design, I'm gonna use a white polish to create a French tip across my nail, but don't worry about it being too perfect. Next, I'm gonna take a green polish to create a little pine tree or Christmas tree, and I'm making sure that it's touching the white French tip of my nail. Next, I'm going to use this glitter polish that has little pieces of white glitter, and I'm going to apply that over top for a snow globe. Isn't this the cutest design ever? It is so precious. You can put any sort of design in there. For the next nail design, I'm going to start with the red nail polish. I'm going to create half circle over the top of my nail, and with white acrylic paint I'm going to create a swirl over top of this, and you guessed it, this is just a really cute peppermint design, and I think this looks especially pretty if you have rounded nail or an almond shaped nail. But you can totally wear this no matter what nail shape you have. And you can also customize this if you wanted to. You could add some green stripe or pink stripe in to make it extra pepperminty. It's totally up to you. I use white acrylic paint for this because I find layering it over top of nail polish is a little bit easier, but feel free of use white polish if you have that. For the next design, I'm going to begin with a piney green shade of polish, and I'm applying 2 coats of that and letting it fully dry. Next, I'll be using a thin liner brush and some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to first create a vertical line. Then I'm going to roughly add in some sketchy dashes across each line to make evergreen pine tree shapes. This is so cute. You can do this as you want, but I think it looks really good. Lastly, secure your design with a fast drying top coat. For the last design, I'm going to start with a red polish. I'm going to create a half triangle across the tip of my nail, and then on the other side I'm going to add another triangle but in different color. This is just a twist on a super simple French manicure. It kind of reminds me of a candy can. There you have 5 easy Christmas nail designs. Try out any of these designs. I would love to see it. Thank you so much guys for your precious time. Bye.